Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store and boost your sales. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is log into Namecheap and navigate to your domain list. Here you can click on Manage next to the domain you would like to add to Shopify, and this will allow you to access DNS settings. So now you need to use Namecheap's DNS template feature and select the Shopify template. This will automatically configure the necessary DNS records for a seamless integration. You then need to confirm the critical records are set, so make sure that your A record is host at and it points to this number, and then your CNAME records, it's host, which is www. And your domain name, and it points to shops.myshopify.com, and that will be your unique Shopify address. Then you need to connect in your Shopify admin panel. So jump into your Shopify dashboard, go to settings, domains, connect existing domain, and enter your domain name and click next to initiate the connection process. Your final steps include a verification and security on your domain. So first of all, if you are prompted, you need to create a text record in Namecheap with host Shopify verification, and that'll be your host Shopify verification details and the unique value provided in your Shopify admin panel. Save all the DNS changes in Namecheap and then return to Shopify and click I updated DNS records to proceed with your verification. The DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate, and your domain will be fully connected once this verification is complete. Now, if you're removing any existing URL direct records in Namecheap before connecting, you can do so. These can interfere with the SSL certificate provisioning and can cause some connection problems. Once you've successfully connected, you can manage your domain settings through Namecheap, and you can have Shopify handle all of your store hosting and performance optimization. Your professional domain is now ready to drive sales and build your brand recognition.